Good morning, guys. So today I just want to update you with some things. Last time when I went to the junkyard, I found those Mercedes Benz chrome lines. I will put those somewhere. They look very nice. I got it from, I believe, S-Class. And also I painted my calipers to the red color, and I think it's good as well. And of course, on the rims, we have one big problem in here. It was a little bit smaller, but you know, it's a big problem still. It's holding the air. That's the major thing right now for me. But yeah, I think the red ones are looking very good as well. And other than that, I find a rubber seal from like similar engine and change this one like that. So I think that will work very good. And today the major thing is gonna be different though. Let me show you this one too. And I first sanded this one, you know, wet sanded with the 600, and after that 2000, and after that I sprayed the black color. And right now we are gonna go to the muffler shop for delating our mufflers. Yeah, I have one more tire to put here. Yeah, they exactly look like that. And also I use this rust reformer, like you can see. It's a black color in this area and in that area, just to, you know, just to protect the car. And I put this one in here before painting, so I was protecting inside as well. I will use a little bit WD-40 in here, and after that I will put my tires, and yep, after that it's good to go. Okay, we delayed all of those, and you know, the sound is very good, I think. And we're gonna do double tips in here, so we will see how it sounds like. I think it's gonna be good. I hope it's not gonna be too loud, but we will see. Okay guys, we just finished our muffler in the car. It sounds like that. I mean, I like it because it's not too loud. I don't like when it's too loud. And let's see how it sounds like from outside. There's a red light, so we can try the car.